In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a scrolling screenshot with Sharex. A scrolling screenshot is perfect when you want to capture an entire web page, chat, or document that doesn't fit on your screen in one go. Instead of stitching multiple screenshots together, Sharex can scroll through the content for you and build one clean, continuous image. First, open Sharex and make sure it's running in the background. If you don't see the main window, it may be sitting in your system tray. Opening it from there works just fine. With Sharex active, look to the top menu and choose Capture, then select Scrolling Capture. If you find yourself doing this often, you can assign a hotkey later to speed things up. But for now, the menu option is perfect. Your cursor will turn into a selector. Click and drag to carefully outline the area you want to capture. For a web page, that usually means dragging around the content area of the browser window rather than the entire screen. Try to include just the scrollable content so you avoid extra borders, toolbars, or sidebars you don't need. A precise selection helps Sharex track the scrolling cleanly. Once you release the mouse, Sharex will start the process automatically. You'll see it scroll through the content and capture each section until it reaches the end. While it's running, avoid clicking, moving the window, or interacting with the page. Letting it finish uninterrupted gives the best results. On very long pages, this can take a moment, so a bit of patience goes a long way. If your final image looks misaligned because the page had floating elements or sticky headers, simply try again with a tighter selection around the main content. When the capture completes, Sharex will display the resulting long image. From here, you can save it to your computer if you want a local file, upload it using your configured destination for quick sharing, copy it to the clipboard to paste into documents or chats, or open it in the built-in editor to crop or annotate. These options appear right after the capture, and you can choose whichever fits your workflow. That's all there is to it. Open Sharex, choose Scrolling Capture, select the area, let it scroll on its own, and then pick how you want to use the finished image. Once you're comfortable with the flow, setting a hotkey later can make the process nearly instant. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, full-length screenshots with Sharex.